Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Shabby Chic style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Shabby Chic is a distinctive interior design style that blends vintage charm, romantic touches and rustic elegance, especially suited for cottage-style homes. It emerged in the 1980s and it characterized by soft, cozy, lived-in look that feels both feminine and nostalgic. Key features of Shabby Chic style home decor: color palette, soft, muted tones, whites, creams, pastels like blush pink, dark egg blue, shades green. Often uses a whitewashed or faded look for walls and furniture. Furniture: vintage or vintage inspired, distressed wood, own paint and ornate details. Flower market or thrift finds that look aged but charming. Fabrics: natural and comfortable materials like cotton, linen and lace. Floral prints, ruffles and faded patterns are common on cushions, curtains and upholstery. Accessories: antique mirrors, candeliers, candle holders and mismatched picture frames. Handmade or vintage decor like toiles, crochet straws and rustic wooden signs. Textures and finishes: distressed or chipped paint finishes, especially in white or pastel tones. On wood floors or painted floorboards, often layered with soft area rugs. Nature-inspired elements: fresh flowers, potted plants and botanical prints. Decor often includes birds, butterflies and garden themes. Overall feel: romantic, nostalgic, cozy and welcoming. Mix old and new. Pair flower market finds or antique furniture with new items that have a distressed finish. Use a combination of vintage and modern for balance. Don't overdo the shabby. Stick to a soft color palette. Base colors: white, ivory or belly gray. Accent colors: pastel pinks, soft greens, baby blues and lavender. Try white walls with pastel accents in furniture or decor. Distressed furniture yourself. Use sandpaper or painted furniture aids to create that own vintage look. Chalk paint works well for giving furniture a matte, antique finish. Add romantic, feminine touches. Incorporate floral patterns in pillows, curtains, or wallpaper. Layer ruffled bedding or lace curtains to soften the space. Use vintage accessories. Look for old mirrors with ornate frames, weathered picture frames, or animal pictures. Mismatched candlesticks, teacups, or jars also add charm. Layer fabrics and textures. Mix linens with lace or cotton with crochet. Add throw blankets, slipcovers, and cushions in neutral or floral tones. Bring in nature, fresh or dried flowers like roses or lavender in vintage vases or messengers. Add greenery like potted herbs or ivy for a lived-in feel. Don't aim for perfection. Embrace chipped paint, slightly faded fabrics, and patina. These imperfections add character. The goal is cozy, not showroom perfect. Use slipcovers for furniture. White or pastel slipcovers are great for softening the look of sofas and chairs. They add a casual, lived-in feel and are also practical, easy to wash and swap out. Decorate with diamond pieces. Incorporate old clocks, chipped enamel wire, or etched wooden threads. Items with visible history help reinforce the cozy vintage vibe. Mirrors with ornate or distressed frames. Antique style mirrors reflect light and open up small cottage spaces. Look for carved shapes, whitewashed or gilded finishes. Create gallery walls with a mix of frames. Use mismatched frames in soft colors or distressed wood. Incorporate whimsical or quirky touches. Add unexpected items like a birdcage, a painted ladder used as a shelf, or hanging teacups. Hunt for treasures at thrift stores or flower markets. Shabby Chic isn't about buying everything new. Use soft, warm lighting, off-road lamps with fabric shades, candles in glass holders, or fairy lights. Keep lighting cozy and warm. Avoid harsh white lights. Mix patterns carefully. Combine stripes, florals, or checks, but keep them in the same muted color family. Stack and style vintage books. Old hardcovers with faded spines look great in open shelves or stacked on tables. Tie a few with twine for added texture and charm. Use chair or lace curtains. Choose flowy, light filtering curtains to keep things airy and soft. Vintage lace panels or simple white foil can add elegance without blocking light. Decorate with wicker and rattan. Add wicker baskets for storage or use rattan chairs and tables. These natural textures complement Shabby Chic's earthy charm. Add decorative trims and details. Use tassels, prints, or crochet edged fabrics on pillows, tablecloths, or drawers. Small accents like ribbon-tied drawer knobs can add a handmade feel. Use vintage china or glassware for decor. Display teacups, old plates, or crystal vases on open shelving. You can also hang decorative plates on walls for a classic cottage touch. Whitewash or limewash walls. Consider whitewashing walls, brick, or even wood beams for a soft, edged look. This adds texture and gives the illusion of history. Repurpose old items creatively. Use an old ladder as a blanket rack or turn a vintage suitcase into a side table. Creativity with reclaimed items is a hallmark of the style. Create a romantic bedroom retreat. Use an iron or carved wooden bedroom, layered linens, and vintage bedside tables. Add canopy knitting or soft fairy lights around the bed for a dreamy look. Add a touch of French country influence. French antiques, tall fabrics, or vintage candeliers can elevate your Shabby Chic space. Frame wallpaper or fabric panels as art. If you find a floral wallpaper you love, frame a section of it instead of pairing a whole wall. This adds visual interest without overwhelming the space. Install open shelving with drastic brackets. Great for kitchens or bathrooms. Display vintage dishes, clusters, or towels. Use reclaimed wood planks with edged metal or painted brackets. Keep clutter pretty. Organize with charm, clusters, oven baskets, or fabric-lined boxes. Even practical storage can be styled beautifully. Thanks for watching the video.